Hey everyone, this is John and Jason with the Community Mortgage Atoka team. Credit. Credit is one of the first and most vital components of any home loan application, so we want to talk to you about that and what you can do to make that process and everything go as smoothly as it can go from your home buying application from start to finish. The first thing we want to talk about with credit, and obviously probably the most obvious, but if you have anything outstanding on credit, the most first and foremost important thing you can do is pay that on time or early. There are two main ways that you can have something affect your credit, either for the good or the bad. Long-term effects and short-term effects. Paying an installment debt or any debt that you have late, and late being more than 30 days from the date of the due date on the account, will have a long-term adverse effect, meaning that there's nothing you can do in the short term or immediately to improve the adverse effect that that late pay will have on your scores. It's simply a matter of putting enough time between the last late pay and your score at the time it's pulled to see those scores begin to improve from the negative effect that the late pay would cause.